Backpack down, apron on, art class time, let's paint till dawn. Tables covered, brushes ready, hands are clean, and hearts are steady, Miss says. Today, create your dream. My eyes light up and start to gleam. Paper bright and big and white, ready for color. Bold and bright, dip dip, swish and glide, let your imagination ride. Red and yellow, blue and green, make the brightest you've ever seen. I squeeze out paint, plop, 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 tiny dots that almost hop, brush goes swoosh across the page, like a rainbow on a stage, mixing colors. What do I see? Blue and yellow, green for me, red and blue. It turns out purple. My painting's starting to swirl and twirl. Splash, splash, don't be shy, paint your dreams across the sky. My friend paints a flying kite. Another makes a robot knight. Someone draws a jungle tree with monkeys swinging happily. I decide to paint the sea with sparkly fish swimming free. Orange coral, starfish bright, bubbles floating left and right. Oops, a drop falls on my sleeve. That's okay, I won't grieve. Art is messy, art is fun. Every painting is number one. Clap your hands, tap your shoe. Every picture is made by you. Now it's time for glitter glue. Sparkle, sparkle, shiny too. I sprinkle stars across my sky. Tiny lights that seem to fly. Scissors snip and paper tear. Crafting shapes with careful care. Fold and press and stick with glue. Turning paper into something new. We make masks with feathers tall. Painted faces, big and small. Laughing as we try them on. Silly giggles all round. Cut and paste, fold and spin. Let the art adventure begin. Play time comes. Squish and squeeze. Roll it gently with such ease. I shape a turtle round and slow, with tiny legs that wiggle so. Press to eyes and give a grin. Smooth the shell and tuck it in. Art can be both flat and round. Magic waiting to be found. Miss walks by and softly says, I love your colors and your ways. She doesn't say what's right or wrong. In art class, we all belong. Because art is how we show feelings deep that sometimes grow. Happy, silly, calm, or loud. Every artist can feel proud. Paint your joy, paint your cheer. Let your big ideas appear. Colors bright and colors bold. Turn your stories into gold. Now it's gallery walk time. Yay! We line our art along the way. Looking left and looking right. So many masterpieces in sight. I like your stars. I love your tree. Kind words shared so happily. We clap for friends and cheer them on. Celebrating everyone. The bell rings softly. Ding, ding, ding. But I don't want to stop this thing. I pack my paints with careful hands. Still dreaming up creative plans. Because art doesn't have to stay inside the classroom every day. I can draw at home tonight. Under cozy lamplight. Dip, dip. Swish and glide. Let your imagination ride. Every color, every line makes your masterpiece divine. Art class isn't just about paint. It's about trying without I can. Being brave and using heart. That's the magic part of art. Please like and subscribe. Dime, dime, dime.